So, what does the Bible say about sex? Before we delve in, I want to give an advice. Never let this leave you. Remember this anytime you pick up the Bible to read. The past is a foreign country. They do things differently there. Never forget this. In studying the past, we have to learn how they did things there. Being careful not to project our own values and social constructs onto other cultures, and recognizing that words can have different meanings and nuances. Anytime you open the Bible, you should realize that you are entering a country which is a foreign one. Its languages, cultures, and values, although in some ways apparently familiar, they differ in many ways from our own. Let me read something to you. See if you can relate. Behold, you are fair, my beloved. Behold, you are fair. Your eyes are like doves. From within your kerchief, your hair is like a flock of goats that stream down from Mount Gilead. Your teeth are like a flock of uniformly shaped female goats that came up from the washing, all of whom are perfect, and there is no bereavement among them. Your lips are like a scarlet thread, and your speech is comely. Your temple is like a split pomegranate from within your kerchief. Your neck is like the Tower of David, built as a model, 1,000 shields hanging on it, all the quivers of the mighty man. Your two breasts are like two fawns, the twins of a gazelle who gaze among the roses. This gives us a window into a world very different from ours, one with exotic flora and animals, a dramatic topography, a distinct view of beauty as well. Today, you dare not compare your beloved nose to a mountain tower or her hair to a flock of goats. But this is the biblical past.